Assalamu alaikum students. I hope that you all are doing well at your homes and taking care of yourself, and I hope that you are not sick or ill or anything, and I hope that you are revising lectures at home. So in this lecture I'm just going to talk briefly about the 8 parts of speech, the basic parts of speech. So when you say something, when you write down something, so each word is divided into different parts which we call parts of speech, and each of them has a different um, purpose. So the basic part of 8 part of speech are noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, conjunction, preposition, and interjection. So how many of these parts of speech you know about? I hope that you know about noun and verb and adjective, because these are the three very common parts of speech. So let's talk about nouns. Okay, so nouns basically wait okay, so what's a noun? A noun is the name of a person, place, thing, or an idea. So nouns are the subject of a sentence. Subject means if there's a sentence, the thing that is talked about, the person that is talked about, the place that is talked about, or the idea that has been talked about is called the subject of the sentence. So a noun is the name of a person, place, or a thing. For example, in this uh, um, sentence, Kylie is a pro golfer. Kylie is the subject. Who is a pro golfer? Kylie is a pro golfer. So Kylie is the name of a person. Is the name of a person. So it's a noun. So name of a person is called a noun. Or the bakery has fresh baked goods. So what's noun in it? The bakery. Because this is the subject of the sentence and this is what we are talking about. So the bakery, which is the name of a thing, the name of a place, so it's a noun. The dog was lonely for me. So this is the name of an animal, the dog. We are talking about the dog in this sentence. Who was lonely for me? The dog. So this is a noun. Love is a beautiful thing. This is an idea. Love is an idea. So this is a noun. Love is a beautiful thing. What is a beautiful thing? Love is a beautiful thing. So nouns are the subject of the sentence, and it is the um, name of a person, place, or thing, or an idea. Okay. So um, in the following sentence, which words are nouns? So if you look at the following sentence, Caleb loves to play Nintendo DS. So it's a game. Nintendo DS is a game. Caleb loves to play Nintendo DS. So what's the noun in this sentence? Tell me. Loves, play, or Caleb and Nintendos. So you have to see what's the noun is the name of a place, person, thing, or an idea. So can you tell me what is the name noun in this sentence? Either it loves or it plays or Nintendos. No, that's not correct. Um, if you have said that loves is a noun, no, it's not correct. Noun is not, that's not correct. Remember, a noun is the name of a person, place, or thing, or idea. So please try again. Yes. Caleb and Nintendo are the nouns in this sentence. Caleb is a person and Nintendo DS is a thing. So these are the names of a person, place, or thing. So that's a noun. So there can be types of nouns. A noun can be a common noun. A noun can be a proper noun. So what are common nouns? A noun that does not name a specific person, place, or thing. When you specify something, when you're talking about distinctive things, then you're going to say that that's a noun. For example, there can be a lot of dogs in this world, but if you have talking about a dog that is in your house and you have named it something like Puffy, then that's a proper noun. But if you're just generally saying that it's a dog, then that's not a proper noun. That's a common noun. Like that, it is common. Every animal looking like this is called dog in this sentence. But if you are going to specifically talk about certain thing, then you're going to say that it's a proper noun. For example, your name. Like when I say the girl is going to the going to school. So there are so many girls who go to school, so that's common. But when I say Sarah is going to school, then I'm particularly talking about something. I'm specifying a person, so that's a proper noun. So a common noun A noun that does not name a specific person, place, or a thing is called a common noun, and a noun that names a specific person, place, or a thing is called a proper noun. For example, dog. When I say Ali's dog, then that's a proper noun because I'm talking about that dog. Proper noun, for example, the city is beautiful. Which city is beautiful? I don't know. That's a common noun. City is a common noun. But when I say New York is beautiful, then that means it's a proper noun. Okay, for example, the cow jumped over the moon. We celebrated my birthday with great big chocolate cake. I ran the 5K race in town last week. The cherries were very tasty. I played basketball in gym class today. So in these sentences, let's see what are the common and proper nouns. The cow jumped over the moon. Moon, because there's one moon, there are not many moons. So moon is a so there are moon specifically because there are every planet has different moons. So this is a common noun also, that we are not talking about Jupiter's moon or other moons. We are talking about generally moon. So moon is a common noun here. And cow, because there can be so many cows. So the cow noun first of all in this sentence is cow and the moon, and they both are common nouns. Birthday can be of anybody. Cake can be any cake. Race can be any race. Town can be any town. Week can be any week. Cherries, which cherries are we talking about? The cherries in the table or the cherries in the fridge? So it is not specified, so it's common noun. Play basketball in the gym class today. Basketball. I played basketball in the gym class today, and okay, so this is also common noun. Okay, now in the following sentence, what is the common noun? So if Sean cut the grass, now tell me which one of it is common noun. Sean cut or grass. Sean cut the grass. First of all, what is the noun? Sean in the grass. This is the name of a person. It's the name of a thing. So what is the noun, common noun in this sentence? Yes. Grass is the common noun in this sentence because it's a thing but not specific. There can be any grass. Okay. So it's a common noun. Proper noun. West Middle School is a great place to learn. So West Middle School, there are not so many West Middle School. Can you see West Middle School in Pindi? No, there are no West Middle School in Pindi or Islamabad. This is a school in somewhere in America or somewhere else. So this is a proper noun because it is not common. It's proper. Not there are very less West Middle schools in the world. Shopping at the Traverse Mall can be hectic during the holidays. So Grand Traverse Mall is a proper noun because there are no Grand Traverse Mall in Pakistan. There is no Grand Traverse Mall in Pakistan. So it's a proper noun. It is very common. It is very proper. It is the name of a specific place. I went to the Horizon Cinema to watch the movie Speed Racer. Speed Racer is one movie. There are no Racer is the name of a one film. There are not a lot of film called Speed Racer. So Horizon Cinema, this is also one cinema or two cinemas, but not a lot of cinemas. It's not common. So if we say cinemas, then that would be a common noun. But if we say Horizon Cinema, which is the name of a proper cinema, that's a proper noun. Caleb and Kylie are the best kids in the world. So these are the name of specific people. So these are proper noun. Caleb and Kylie. But if I say the girl and the boy are the best kids in the world, then that would be common noun because there are so many girls and boys. But Caleb and Kylie are very rare, so those are proper nouns. Read 120 has many good books to choose from. I think this is a library, name of a library. So if I say library has many good books to choose from, so library is a common noun. But if I say that read 120, which is the name of a library, is a proper noun. Okay, so now let's try proper nouns. Remember, they name a specific person, place, or a thing. So proper nouns are the name of a specific person, place, or thing. What is a proper noun in this sentence? He walked across the Mackinac Bridge. Okay, what is the proper noun in this sentence? He, Mackinac Bridge, or walked. What is the proper noun in this sentence? Yes, Mackinac Bridge is the proper noun. It names a specific place. So Mackinac Bridge, because there are no a lot of Mackinac Bridge, there is one Mackinac Bridge. So this is the name of a This is a proper noun because it is the name of a specific place. All right. So these are common nouns, proper nouns, and nouns. So we have discussed about proper noun and common noun in the sentence, and in the next lecture we are going to talk more um different parts of speech. We are going to talk about pronouns and other sentence. As of now, I'm just leaving you here, so just do this at your home, practice this at your home, and I'm going to see you in this next lecture. Okay, you should know the name of what is a noun. You should be able to understand and able to identify a noun in a sentence, and you should be able to identify proper and common noun in a sentence. And one thing also, students, that a proper noun always starts with a capital letter, and a common noun always starts with a small letter, small alphabet. Okay, so proper noun always starts with a capital letter. So if you want to see that it's a common or a proper noun, the difference, then you can also see that whether it is written with a proper or common noun. Also, if you want to write a proper noun in a sentence, then you should write it with a capital letter, not with a small letter. Okay, so you have to write proper noun with a capital letter. So remember this, and I hope that you have understood and revised this at your home. If you're still having a problem or struggling with anything, I'm here to help you, and I'm going to I hope that you've understood and you're going to understand my lectures, and I hope that you do the worksheet that I'm going to provide it with you. I'm going to see you in the next lecture. Take care. Allah Hafiz.